Good afternoon, students. I wish that you all are be healthy and happy and staying at home. Let's start today's class. As in the previous topic, ways to create more employment and increase income of small farmers. We have understood about two ways. First is government can spend money to set up well-developed irrigation methods in the fields of villages, and second is government can spend money in transportation and crop storage in different areas of village for the help of farmers. Now we will know about other ways. In these, third way is banks must provide loan at low interest rate to the small farmers so that small farmers can buy seeds, fertilizers and other agriculture equipments. Those are important in modern farming. Fourth way is government can set up small industries in semi-rural areas. Semi-rural areas are areas that are not fully rural areas. Some urban characteristics also found here. Urban characteristics like well-developed education system, big houses, good transportation, etc. So, industries can provided in the semi-rural areas such as cold storage are beneficial to the farmers. They can store their products and sell them when the price is good in the market. In village near the forest areas, honey collection centers can be set up to getting employment. And now fifth way is that government can spend money to make buildings of schools and teaching staffs to provide education in rural areas. As Niti Aayog, that was previously called Planning Commission of India, estimate that nearly 20 lakhs jobs can be created in education system. Like this, hospitals and to improve health situation in rural areas also need doctors, nurses and other health workers. By these, jobs would be created in the rural areas. One another way to create employment is tourism, regional craft industries and new services of information technology. These work can require proper planning and support from the government. The same study by the Niti Aayog says that if tourism is improved, we can provide additional employment to more than 35 lakh people in India. Now we will know about one step taken by the Indian government to provide employment under right to work that is included in our Indian Constitution in Article 6 and 23. Right to work is the concept that people have a human right to work or engage in productive employment of his her choice. Indian government make a law implementing the right to work firstly in about 625 means 625 districts, mainly rural districts of India. This law is called MG Narega 2005, means Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. This was previously called National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. This act was passed in September 2005. Under this act, those who are able to and are in need of work in rural areas are guaranteed 100 days of employment in a year by the government. If work is not provided within 15 days of applying, applicants are person who has applied for job. So applicants are given an unemployment allowance. Unemployment allowance is 50% of an insured worker's daily average earnings. So, if any person is not getting work after applying this Manrega in any area, then that person can get unemployment allowance of 50% of 100 days working salary. MG Narega is commonly known as Manrega in our local areas. Manrega implemented by Gram Panchayats in villages of India. Worker under Manrega can be making ways for villages, making water tanks, canals, forestry work, house making work and other construction work, etc. Thank you.